What does our client choose today? Still driving an old car with manual transmission? Still relying on technologies that belong to the past? Or moving forward, choosing speed, comfort, and modern solutions? The world is evolving, and the way we work must evolve with it. Manual calculation of the pipe time factor, time and cost estimation for projects, is still done by hand in many companies. It consumes time, effort, and valuable resources, just like a long drive in an outdated car. With BID, calculations take only seconds. Upload your BOM file and instantly receive a ready-to-use Excel file with automatically added calculation columns. BID offers a clear and intuitive interface for users of any experience level. Monitor projects, upload data, and export results, all in one place. Work gets done faster, leaving time for what truly matters. Faster calculations lead to confident decisions. Confident decisions lead to satisfied clients and more successful projects. BID, smart calculations, real speed,